I have never put you guys on my bed before, but, oh, I'm a bit short. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. As most of you guys know, I'm going to be a freshman in uni this year, and some of you guys may be asking yourselves, Hannah, why are you not in Canada like you're supposed to be? Which is a valid question. As an international student, Canada's travel restrictions right now prevent me from being able to enter the country. So I am unfortunately stuck in Singapore for a little while longer, and I'm going to be doing online classes here for a couple months before travel restrictions lift and I'm able to move. Since I'm not really getting a change of environment with a new place to live, a dorm room or anything like that, I figured I might as well redecorate my room a little bit, get a new environment in that sense. I thought it'd be worth it to invest in a couple new decorations and stuff for my room to make it a little bit more cozy for the many hours that I will be spending in here studying and doing uni work. This probably isn't going to be as big of a room transformation as my previous video that I did like 2 years ago, but I'm definitely going to be making a couple changes, and I figured why not film that for you guys. I can't wait for my room to look a little bit more mature, for me to get rid of these ugly ass purple curtains that I've had for like 6 years. Let's get straight into this video. I'm going to start off with a little before pan for you guys so you guys can see what my room looks like now. Walking into my room, on the right, we've got my bathroom. This is what that currently looks like. And then when you walk into my actual room, this is just a quick overview. As we can see, it's not really doing too badly. I just feel like it needs a bit more character and a bit more organization because stuff is just kind of like sitting everywhere. So yeah, first up, let's get to buying a couple things. Today is IKEA day, which is obviously essential when you're redoing your room. The two specific things that I'm looking for are new curtains and a chair, but other than that, I'm just gonna see what organizational stuff they've got and to see if they've got any like smaller decorations that I can possibly get. Yeah, let's go. That's cute.
Settling in, settling down.
I quite like the vibe of this mirror with like the wood, but I feel like I would want a darker wood here. I feel like a table lamp like this could be cute for my desk. This is a possible chair option. So they've got a gray version of this one, and then they've also got like a more beige one. I quite like this actually. They've also got like a gray version of the white chair I have right now. I want more neutral curtains, so I'm just gonna look around here. I'm debating between these two colors because I don't know if this gray would be too dark. I don't know, I can't tell. Alternatively, I could also do like a more textured one, but I don't know.
Falling in love, not falling out. I keep on falling in. Each of us
Just finished. Highly successful. I got a bunch of stuff, so I'm super happy. Yay! They just delivered what I believe is the neon sign that I ordered. I'm very excited. Unboxing. Cute. I just need to figure out how to take this out without breaking it. Don't know why I said that with an accent. Yay! I'm really excited. I'm gonna finish unboxing it off camera because I need to like pull out the individual little plastic pieces. I just plugged it in and holy shit! I'm so happy. It looks so good. It looks like I have LED lights, but like not the strip ones. But yeah, I'm so happy. Whoa. Okay, since we've now got quite a few things for the room, I'm gonna start decorating. I'm gonna start off with what I think is gonna be the biggest struggle, which is gonna be the chair that I bought. This is the only thing I got from IKEA that I'm gonna have to actually build. So, we'll see how this goes. I'm just excited to get rid of this crusty ass chair. This is the building fit. It's currently $320, so let's see how long it takes me to build this.
a crown, a crown, a crown, a crown. A king and a queen royally bound.
The fuck? Okay, First piece done. Progress is being made.
Both called it from the beginning. Called it.
And we are done. It's a lot smaller than my other one, but I don't mind it, especially because I think this will make me sit more upright. Whereas I used to slouch a lot on that one. First thing for the room is done. While we're at it, we're gonna do the new curtains as well and get rid of this purple. I just need to move this out of the way so that we can reach the top there to hang them up. This already looks so much better. And these ones are done now. In my opinion, this already made such a big difference. I don't know, it just looks so much like cleaner and crisper. The only thing is that they're a bit short, which looks a bit weird, but you know what? It's fine. You can barely tell anyway because it's under the table, and here I've got the trash can and the bed there anyway. Yay! Successful. Okay, today's the day that we actually start decorating. I bought a couple things that I want to put on my desk, and I need to organize this mess. And then hopefully I'll be able to do this area as well. Let's go. I wanted to replace the pencil holders I had, so I copped this new one, and then I also bought like this little tray to just help keep everything in one place on my desk. I need to go through these pens and see which ones of these actually work and have ink in them, and which ones I can toss out. Okay. These are all being tossed. Yay! This drawer needs serious help. So I got this little organizing bin that I'm going to put in here to help give this at least a little bit of order. Hopefully that will help. I didn't even know that I still have all these old high school flashcards. Disgusting. And voila. Good. This side, on the other hand, doesn't have that much stuff in it. It's just some important papers and whatnot. So no organizing needed here. In terms of this area, I have a couple more pieces of film. So I think I'm going to print some more photos and start kind of like surrounding the mirrors here. I also want to take down this thing from my high school and put up something else here.
Fights will keep and trust. And you make me want to say, I love you better today than yesterday.
Okay, so the updated wall looks like this so far. The final thing I added to this area was a little cork board. This was just to help me organize some of my uni stuff that I'm going to need to remember for the next couple months. Moving on to this area, which I'm very excited to finally decorate. The thing that I bought that I think is going to make the biggest difference is this mirror right here, which I'm planning on like just leaning up against the wall there. So let's unpack this. Here we are. I'm just going to take all the books here. And then here we are. Yay! I'm thinking I might just keep a couple of books like stacked here. I feel like that looks good. We also copped a few things to fix this area. We're getting rid of this and replacing it with this. And IKEA sold these hands, and I don't know what they're actually supposed to be used for, but I thought this would be a cool way to display my rings. Right now my jewelry area is super messy, and I'm not a huge fan of this. And I'm not a huge fan of this little cactus thing anymore. So. Okay, rings have been put on the hand. I think this looks really good. I feel like this wood goes really well with that. I'm quite happy with how that looks right now. I'm just gonna organize these two a little bit more.
I love you better today than yesterday. Every day it's gonna play out the same. It's gonna play out the same.
Okay, toss, toss. Hand sanitizer, which doesn't need to be here. I also want to start keeping my most used shoes in my room. So maybe down here. Okay, yeah, I think this looks good. I'm excited to have a new place to take mirror selfies. The insides of these drawers need some serious help though, because holy shit, this is messy. This one is even worse. I don't know how it comes to this. Like, I swear I organize it on the regular-ish, and it still ends up looking this bad. To help keep everything organized, I bought these different sized containers that you can see me opening up right here. These just help me separate everything into different sections within the drawers themselves. I'm not gonna lie, these smell kind of weird. Okay, let's do this. I don't even know why I still have half of the stuff. Like, why do I keep fake blood? I basically took everything out of my drawers just to give me a better overview of everything that I actually had and help me sort through what I actually needed to keep. And I think we're done. Drawer number 1. Drawer number 2. This is still a little bit messy, but other than that, I'm quite satisfied. I also ended up moving my shoes next to my dresser because it was a bit busy under the shelves, and then I hung my masks and a bag off of the front of my dresser just because it added a bit of dimension. And I'm gonna stop for the day because I am super tired. It's been a bit, but we are continuing. Today we're gonna start off with my bathroom because this mess is just like not okay. I got some new containers that I bought that I'm gonna use to organize, and I'm gonna put a couple of the things in this area right here because I have some space and I might as well put it away if I'm not using it. I feel like this entire video is literally just an IKEA ad. It's just good. I don't know, they're cheap, so.
Growing as one, not growing apart. Apart. Say what we mean, say it from the heart.
These old containers are getting thrown out. I don't even know what this buildup and shit is. Oh my god, ew.
The heart. Wrinkles and grays, don't be alarmed.
How cute, all my little tampons in one place.
Beautiful signs of our story so far. So far.
So much cleaner.
Both called it from the beginning. We called it. We knew that there had to be none.
Okay. I think that's good. I put old skincare that I don't use anymore up here. Then face masks and stuff on the second row. And then this one is just miscellaneous stuff, so like toothpaste, vitamins, contacts. Yay! Holy shit, the glow up. Oh my god, it looks so much better. And now for the final change. The bath mat is a bit smaller, but I think the colors go better, and usually I'd have a blue towel here as well. And then that is the bathroom done. The only area I still have left is my bed. I bought some new sheets and new pillows, but before I do that, today I'm also going to get some photos printed that I can hang above my bed. I like the idea of having a little collage, but I don't vibe with everything that I've got hanging here, and I think I could make it better. So I picked out some photos on Pinterest and I made like a little mood board just to make sure that they all go together. So this is what we've got. I'm gonna get all of them printed, but probably do like this one, and this one slightly bigger than the rest. So yes, I am excited about that. I'm gonna change and then I'm gonna dip, and hopefully I can hang those up tomorrow. Also, I feel like this video is really long, and I'm sorry if it is. Alrighty, it is the next day. Yesterday was very successful. All of the prints turned out so good, so I'm really excited to hang those up. Now I just need to figure out how I want to arrange these, and then we're gonna take them up. This is what we've got so far. I have this still, but I just don't really know where to put it. I feel like it doesn't match. Maybe I take this one out because I've already got some of the ones with text, and I put this here. Does that look good? I don't know. Maybe I'll take this one away. And I can put this here. Like that. Okay, I think we're gonna go with this.
Every day is gonna play out the same. It's gonna play out the same. I love you better today than yesterday. Every day.
And now the last two.
Play out the same.
Okay, I made a couple little adjustments, but I think this is the setup we're gonna stick with. I'm very happy. I think it turned out really, really good. I'm keeping these sheets, but I've got new pillow covers that I'm gonna switch to right now. And here we are. This area looks a bit more tied together now because obviously these colors match. The other thing that's still gonna go up on this wall is the neon sign that I bought. I just haven't gotten anyone to come in and like drill a hole into the wall yet. because I don't trust just hanging it up with a command hook because I feel like it might be a bit too heavy. But I think that's going to look really good as well. For now, I'm just going to put that on my bedside table here. I think that actually wraps it up for all of the changes I'm going to be making. So that brings us to the end of this video, and I guess we can roll the before and after clips. So let's do that.
Oh man, welcome to the trade show. We got what you need, bring them something they could pay for. Painted on a smile when I'm stepping on my doorstep. I need from the world what she giving me before that. A-T-T-E-N-T-I-O-N. Snap a photo with my girl, but post a picture with her friend. I'ma lose my head, tryna find myself again. Doing circles in her feet, only let them see me win. Pieces of me that I want to see the most. I shrug and I grin whenever my shot goes in.
Like I said in the beginning of this video, it obviously wasn't a massive transformation, but I think the room definitely has a better vibe to it now, and I think the curtain change actually made a really big difference. If I was staying here longer, I'd probably make a couple more changes, get a throw blanket, get some more decorations for that little trolley that I have next to my desk, and maybe add something on the wall next to the mirror. But that's okay. I'm obviously never going to be 100% happy with everything, and it just doesn't make sense for me to really go all out and completely redo everything. Overall, I'm still really happy with how everything turned out. Obviously, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe. And I never say this in my videos, and I don't know why, but make sure to turn on your post notifications to get notified every time I post. I love you all to the moon and back, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Pieces of me that I want to see the most. I shrug and I grin whenever my shot goes in.